Hey there guys, welcome to the Joe the Auto Guy YouTube channel. Today, something special. I am all about cleaning cars and maintaining cars and everything else, but I really love a passion for shine. I love polishing, I love waxing, love making cars look great. I do amateur detailing on the side, trying to maybe do a pro business on that later, maybe this summer, but basically, Adams Polishes puts out a mystery box. $30 guaranteeing you $50 worth of product before discounts and stuff. So if they have a $16.99 bottle for 25 bucks, could be two things, but they're just guaranteeing you at least $50 worth of product. But 30 bucks. And I ordered 2 mystery boxes. So we got 2 cents. Exciting thing. It's a gamble. You don't want to gamble, don't play. You know, that easy. And you won't get burned. So mystery boxes, we're gonna see what's in them. So this is the mystery box. It said that if you order more than one, it just will be shipped in one box. So we're gonna see what we got. You wanna know what you could potentially get? Here it is. Ooh, okay, we got one in here. We got a box within a box. Okay, so here's our 2 mystery boxes. Looks like, do we got anything in here? Looks like there were 2 stickers in here. Totally wrong. Okay, it could be in there. All right. Da 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 da. Even more. Sticker. Mint. Love it. Now, do I have a knife? I got a razor blade. Razor blade time. Dun da 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 dun da da. Let's see what we got. Oh, tease you with that one. Okay. Hopefully some different stuff, not 2 of the same boxes. Alrighty. First thing, we got Adams Polishes Mini Plush Drying Towel. So drying towel is super effective. Oop, we got a nozzle. We got a nozzle. Glass towel, awesome. If you've ever used microfibers that are not super fine microfiber for glass, they streak. You can do a lot of wiping. These glass ones do it in pretty much one application. And an accessory drying towel. Not really sure what an accessory drying towel is, but I'm happy to have it. Microfibers are awesome. First off, we have undercarriage spray. Oh, this stuff is meant for just getting that grit and grime off the bottom of your car, especially during the winter. Spray it on your car before you go through a car wash, if you're doing it that way. Strip wash. So strip wash is great. This is actually leaking. Just a little bit, though. We still got a full bottle of product, but she's a little leakage. But strip, I'm assuming... Yeah, strip wash. I was assuming it would just take everything off at one time. But, yeah, basically cleans, gets rid of any soap or any wax sealant protection that you have on your car, getting it ready for polishing. So before you're about to do a great step, we have strip polish. And their tire shine, which is like I love their tire shine. Basically, really effective, lasts a while as long as you applicate it a lot. And that is all for the oh, I'm sorry. We're not. We got the nozzle. And we got something else in here. Adams Polishes Air Freshener Apple Scent. Gotta love that. That was all for the first box. I'm happy with it. Like I said, you're talking Probably 20 bucks for this wash. Everything else microfibers. You know, high-end microfibers cost money. You can buy a bunch on Amazon, be cheap if you want. But I'm happy with that. I got the undercarriage spray. You know, it gives you a chance to try some stuff out. I love trying stuff out. Love it. Next box. What do we got? We got cardboard wrapping. Ooh. The Great White drying towel, the large one. You can do a whole car without scratch-free drying, scratch-free drying with detail spray, streak-free drying on paint, chrome, and glass, waffle weave. Love drying towels. Love the Great White. There's another nozzle. Mega foam. Awesome mega foam. So large foaming car wash application. Tire and rubber cleaner for doing your wheel wells and tires and everything else. And just wheel cleaner. So regular wheel cleaner. I believe, see, this stuff got cold. Or just contracted a little bit. All right, mystery boxes. We also have another, I'm assuming another scent, but Adams Polishes thing. I like it. Ooh. So again, I bought 2 mystery boxes, as you saw. So don't skip ahead and think this is everything you got out of one. This is quite the haul. I love it. Guys, Adams, you don't disappoint. This is great. I love it. Drying towels, air fresheners, and some great stuff to try out. Undercarriage, strip wash, mega foam, everything I pretty much need to clean a car. You know, this will do the main stuff. I got tire shine. So this stuff will be your great Sunday wash. This will be getting ready for my paint corrections. And we're doing the deep clean and getting that stuff off. We got enough to try out a super package. Stuff is super concentrated, so you only need a little bit to get stuff to work. Again, like I said, this is like add 2 to 3 ounces or something. 1 to 2 ounces into a canister for a foam cannon. So we'll be doing some foam cannon stuff as soon as it gets a little warmer out and my pressure washer can be used. But Adams Polishes 2021 January mystery box. Here we go. Alright guys, hope that was fun for you guys. I like doing the mystery boxes. It's just fun. Like I said, gamble. You know, I'm a gambler. So, I want to know what you got. So, occasionally they send out, they claim, they can send out their polishers and stuff. Some people get them. Cool. Who knows if you might be that one. Who knows if they really do it. Nobody really knows. But that's why I do these videos. Show you what I got. So, Adams Polishes, I've always, you know, they've made a great product. I've stood behind it. Used it on my own stuff. Used it on customer cars. It's great. So, get yourself a mystery box. Watch their website. Watch their social media. I'll link it all. And get it. All right. Thanks, guys. See you in the next video.